Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. In the Ramzan series today, I'm going to share with you a very delicious and easy iftar recipe, chicken pita pockets. Now come, let's quickly get started. Let's prepare the salad first for this recipe. Take 150 grams of shredded purple cabbage, wash and squeeze out the excess water. To this add grated carrot 50 grams and beaten fresh cream 1/4 cup, followed by 2 tablespoons of veg mayonnaise and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed pepper and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, sugar 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix everything well and keep aside. These are pita breads, 4 pieces are there in each pack, and these are chicken nuggets. They are ready to fry, frozen ones. Now fry the chicken nuggets in oil. Fry them till they turn golden brown in color. Instead of nuggets, you can also saute, herb chicken sausages, and you can use for this recipe. Now they are done. Drain with an absorbent paper and keep aside. Now take a grill pan and brush with some melted butter and place the pita breads and toast them very slightly, very lightly. You have to toast them, don't over toast them, and press with a flat spatula to get those good grill marks, and flip them to the other side and toast for a few seconds. Now they are done. Now cut the bread at the center and gently make pockets like the way I'm doing. You get the hollow pockets like this. Now we can start filling the pockets. Start with some garlic mayonnaise and place the chicken nuggets on top of it like this, and you're going to add some more garlic mayonnaise like this, and arrange some green lettuce leaves at one side. The leaves would stick well onto the mayo as the mayo is greasy. Now top it with the prepared salad, the salad that we have made, and squeeze out some chipotle southwest dressing to complete the process. Here you go, the veggie, juicy and delectable chicken pita pockets are ready to be served. Friends, please try this recipe and write your valuable feedback to me in the comment section. If you like this recipe and my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Please share this recipe with your family and friends. Wish you all a very happy and blessed Ramzan. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.